Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here in the video to speak about English language, and which I'm frequently uploading videos of English language, and till date I've uploaded 500 videos in English, and that is more than enough for a beginner who want to practice by himself. And you can also watch my videos to able to get confidence. And so in this video I'm going to speak about my job responsibility which I've took for working for one of MNCs, and my work basically is travel sales consultant. And I'll show you like what are the responsibility if you are working in this kind of environment. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So I'll basically discuss about how can we help people to go some other places where they don't know about, and we tell people like what are the visa criteria would be in different countries. So our basically role is to give advice to the peoples and give them a cheapest flight comparison to online platforms. So as a travel consultant, you have a lot of power to basically hold the seats for the passengers. And in the airlines website, basically they are taking charges for that, and by travel consultant you can hold it any free of cost. And there is other thing as well, where if you have already booked the ticket, you can basically do the changes. And while in online platforms, there you will not get such things, and there is no one who is contacting with you as a travel. If you hire a travel consultant, so he will guide you a step by step process, like what are your holidays look like, what are your plans, your itinerary. So these all things we prepare for passengers. And working as a travel sales consultant, you do have a other responsibility where you are basically have a target of achieving the sales in a monthly basis. And so for that you need to put a lot of efforts, where people don't have convictions over buying tickets. So you need to show them like the one which you are talking about, that is genuine and that is coming up very little fare. So you after that searching all the fare from different varieties of website, you are able to get this. And so if you are really focusing on going and traveling, so you can buy, this is the limited offer. So after this they are buying, and so you need to give them basically that this is the options which you can take currently. And so this is how other if the passengers is convinced, and so you need to basically hold the booking for them. And so this is criteria look like. And for that there is some sort of commission you got from the airlines end. And so this is kind of business look like. And after seeing a lot of people who are going into this business, and so I found out that this is a very interesting one, because like in airlines business, there are airlines who are not able to get profitable, but these kind of business are getting commissions and some other benefits. They are in profitable basis. So this is what they really think of, airlines is thinking of. And they are actually having a platform where people can buy. And so yeah, this is my day-to-day jobs look like. And so I think I've spoken out my day-to-day basis in my roles basically. So there is some sort of content which I need to add more, but yeah, that is what I've got, and I think I need to speak more, so I'll do it in upcoming days. So in this video, that is it. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.